Oh gang, it's Stump the eBay grinder here from Stump's Flea Market. Today is Monday the 21st. I've sold 3 items today. I've sold this cape, if y'all see that cape, Brenton Highlands Line Lynx golf cap. Stanley Thompson design. It's a A-Head Extreme brand. I think I've got a little eagle on it. Sold that, I think, for $16.99. I sold this men's small margarita shirt. And I'm not going to take it out of the bag. Y'all pretty much see it nicely. Got some Margaritaville and boats and stuff on it. Sold that for $18.99. And I sold this 2-speed Holmes fan. I also sold that for $18.99 plus shipping and handling. So right here in a second, we'll get to wrapping and try not to make this video too long. So I'm gonna put you on pause in just a second. Now, if y'all been watching my videos, y'all pretty much know how I wrap clothes. Stick them in this black poly bag. Get down in there. Pull off that. And this one I'm on double bag, so mainly because I'm trying to get rid of these. I don't like these black ones. I've said that before. I hope y'all can see this. I got this on a bigger tripod today. I have several tripods. I was going to do one of my eating videos today. A car video, but I was going to use this tripod here. But the wind's blowing and I'm afraid it might blow it over and, you know, bust the camera. But I'm going to put this on pause. Go ahead and take this up because y'all seen me do that before. That's what that looks like all taped up. This will probably weigh around 9 ounces. 7 to 9 ounces. You know, I tape them here and there or whatever. So that's one we're done with. Next is going to be the hat. It's going in this 8x6x4 box. Kind of fold this in. You don't want to wad it up. You kind of fold that in and fit it down in there. You want to fit it so you don't have to mash that brim. You don't want to mash the big brim. Don't forget your thank you card. And that pretty much stays still. And we just put it together. I hope y'all can see this. I ain't gonna weigh too much. Good enough. Now we'll do the fan. It's gonna go in this box here. And this is a 12 by 8 by 10 inch. It's a little big, but it's about the only thing I got. Let's see. Here'll be the fan. Let's set this down a minute. What we're gonna do with this, we're gonna diaper this baby. Just put a little diaper over it. Just like that. That's just kind of protect it. and help take up some room in the box. I'm not gonna do the sides, although I guess I could do that one. And there your fan is with Grandpa's diaper on. A clean Grandpa's diaper. And it's gonna sit down in his box like that. I don't know if y'all can see that. And we're gonna add some paper to it, so let me go get some paper. There's our thank you card. We want some paper to fill out the top and the side. Get one more sheet. And that should be good for that. Let's see. And then all you gotta do is taper down. I always put one to help hold these boxes together. And she's ready to go. Along with that one and that one. We'll make a label either tonight or tomorrow and get it mailed by tomorrow afternoon. So needless to say, today's been a good day for me selling the 3 items. So this month is here at the end of the month, turning into a pretty good sales month. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Even if you don't subscribe, hit that like button, because that lets YouTube know that you're watching it. So until we sell some more, I will see y'all on the next video. And don't forget, check out my eating video. There's a link in the info page. Check y'all later. Bye.